मी जे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर किंवा इंडस्ट्रीयल शेड्सच्या बद्दल म्हणालो, ही नुसती सुरुवात आहे. तर अशा रीतीने आपल्याला तुम्ही जसे एकजूट करतात, हा खूपच चांगला प्रयत्न आहे आणि त्याला मी मनापासून शुभेच्छा देतो. असे समूहाने एकत्र येऊन तुम्ही एकमेका सहाय्य करू, अवघे धरू सुपंथ. हा सुपंथ तर आहेच, पण हा समृद्धीचा मार्ग आहे असं म्हणतो आणि मनापासून शुभेच्छा देतो. बोलावून मला बहुमान आपण केला आणि आपल्या ज्या काही मनातल्या गोष्टी होतात ते मोकळेपणाने माझ्या पुढे मांडल्यात, त्याबद्दल तुम्हाला सर्वांना धन्यवाद देतो. साळुंखे साहेब, बडवे साहेबांना आभार. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
Thank you, sir. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome on behalf of the SME Chamber of India, Maharashtra Industrial and Economic Development Council of India, and of course the Federation of Indian SMEs. I once again extend a warm welcome. And the major part of our country celebrated, and a chunk of the world celebrated Guru Purnima yesterday, and a lovely morning preceding today where we witnessed this auspicious occasion. And as the name suggests, Guru is darkness and Ru is light. And for the right teachers and mentors and guides present here, starting from Honorable Minister for Industries, Government of Maharashtra, Shri Subhash Desai, of course Mr. Chandrakant Salunkhe, Founder and President of SME India, and we have MD of Badwe Group of Industries, Mr. Shrikant Badwe. Can we have a huge round of applause for the gentlemen present here for this lovely auspicious beginning and the additional office premises that we've just inaugurated. Salunkhe sir would now have a moment of appreciation, love, warmth and new beginnings for Shri Subhash Desai sir. And of course, can we have one more for Shri Shrikant Badwe ji, who is also present with us. Sir, please kindly accept this lovely association that we're looking forward to. And साथ ही हम सुभाष जी से रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे हमारे डिग्निटरीज का यहाँ पर स्वागत और सम्मान करें. Now I would request sir to please give away the bouquet to Mr. Rajendra Arsul, who is a part of the ceremony today. Sir, I would request you to come forward. And आप सभी का साथ थोड़ी inviting positivity from all the 10 directions and some creating good memories. Up next, I'd request Mr. Mayuresh Shilotri to please come forward and accept this token on behalf of the entire chamber and the guests present here. A big round of applause for Mr. Mayuresh Shilotri. Up next, I would also request Mr. Bhalchandra Rane, who is present between us, to come forward and accept this token of appreciation from the entire team. साथ ही हम श्री जयेंद्र तन्ना जी से रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे आगे आने के लिए. जयेंद्र तन्ना, and we request her to give away the bouquet as a token of appreciation. All right, thank you everybody for your kindest presence. Once again, thank you sir for gracing this occasion with your auspicious presence, and everybody present here, thank you.
Thank you very much sir. Since our anchor has reminded me that yesterday was a Guru Purnima, so I know Desai sir for last 30 years. When I was childhood, from that day I am visiting his shop Ranga Seva. So let me present as to my Guru this office, new initiative to Desai sir. So because he is a guardian of the industry of Maharashtra, so this is my immense pleasure to present you the set up that to especially for the industry and SME sector. Sir, you have mentioned about particularly to support MSME sector by bringing them together, to providing the plug and play premises. It's a very good initiative. Let us give big hand, because all state government has taken initiative and Maharashtra already taken the first step. So we will definitely support you. Another very interesting point I would like to suggest, there are plenty of private industrial parks coming in Maharashtra. So we should recognize them so that it will be beneficial for them to project and promote and brand and market their premises to not only local market but international market. So friends, thank you very much for attending this special program. Desai Sahab, thank you very much. As you said that we will definitely bring a lot of issues, suggestions and solutions to the government for a revival of the SMEs as well as promotion of the SMEs. Thank you very much. Thank you. All the best.
Check. Thank you once again everybody on behalf of SME India and the entire federation and associations. We request you now to have a very great day ahead, and thank you everybody once again.